Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about telecom expense management with Microsoft Intune. By default, this configuration doesn't enable for you to configure this telecom expense management. Microsoft tied up with Data Alert is a company and they provide these services to you, and these are the pricings which you need to sign up for them. And then once you have signed up for the 30 days trial, or maybe you signed up for your company purpose, whatever the devices count based on that, post to that you can enable this configuration. Another way, if you can look at the Microsoft documentation on this page, this actually talks about a very good explanation here. If you can look at here, the admin will configure, or he configures the data alerts, and based on the data alerts the application gets installed on the user's machine, and that will check the configuration, and then it gonna alert you with the admin whatever the thresholds you are configuring. So to do this, you need to actually configure you need to have the Intune subscription definitely, as well as you need to also have the data alert subscription, then followed by the different settings or different steps to navigate, and that would actually, you need to input your tenant ID as your AD tenant ID. Then it's going to verify, and it's going to bind with your MDM server with the Microsoft Intune, and then it's going to activate that specific setting, and that specific application also gets deployed to the required devices, and so that you would be able to manage that specific things. For example, you can see here from the client apps, you also need to configure this data alert as the application, so that it would actually gives the proper information, and that's how you're going to configure this data alerts. And by default, this is not free of cost. You need to pay for Microsoft as well as the data alert services company. That's how you're going to configure, because I'm not going to demonstrate this demo, but you can follow the steps I'm going to attach in this video below under description, the website link. Thank you for watching this.